I bought these peaches, but they're not very good. I'm going to make some jam. So this video will show you how you make jam. The first thing to do is to cut those peaches and then mush them up. I'm going to use a blender to mash them up. And then after they're mashed up, we're going to put them in this jam making food processor. And we'll be adding some sugar and some pectin and some lemon juice in there with the peaches. Well, I've been cutting up the peaches, putting them in this bowl here, and when that bowl is full, I'll put them in the blender. Alright, well, we've cut all the peaches up, and that is enough for a batch of fruit, a batch of jam. That's good. I'm going to make the jam out of that. So I've converted those peaches that weren't very good into a peach puree. Those bad peaches have become a peach puree, which I can now use to make jam. Okay, this device here, food processor, it makes it easy to make it makes it very easy to make jam. Very simple. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of this, or a couple tablespoons at the bottom. Then I'll add the fruit. I'll add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of butter, and then I just push some buttons. And then I'll have to add the sugar. Okay, so we need a couple tablespoons of that. Alright. We'll add the fruit. Added some lemon juice and I turned it on. We'll add sugar in a little bit. Oh, one more thing. It's starting to foam. It reminds me, you can add a little bit of butter to reduce the foaming. So I'm just going to get a few flakes of butter off of this and add it. Okay, I've added the butter. The butter is melting right away. Now it just beeped, so it's time for me to add the sugar. A lot of sugar. 2 cups I'm adding. Alright. Put a lid on it. And that just stay like that for 17 minutes. And I'll be ready to put it in these jars I washed out. So it's about to be finished. I'm going to use this, I cut it from a milk carton, to put the jam into these jars. Here we are. Okay, so I've put the jam into the jars, making sure that there's nothing on the lid. Okay, so take the jars, put them in the boiling water for about 10 minutes. Alright, good. This one's quite loud. Okay, this is turn off the heat. It's been 10 minutes. We'll just we'll leave these sit in here for a while. We'll take them out in a little bit. Let's see if I can. Uh-oh. Need to get that one. There we go. Ah! And here's a jar all finished of fresh, just made peach jam.